Hello, I'm Jeff Reeds, Associate Director of Teaching and Learning Innovation at the Center for the Advancement of Teaching, aka the CAT. A key aspect of becoming a successful practitioner in STEM fields is the ability to make meaning of graphs, diagrams, figures, and other visual representations of data. But what if the way we present data creates barriers to that learning? Sometimes we believe that we are creating a helpful visual aid when in reality, that aid may prove to be hard to read, lack clear concepts, and can even be impossible for a student to access. The principle of designing for all challenges us to think beyond aesthetics. It means making visuals that everyone can use. Weighing visuals.
Image of an inaccessible graph next to an accessible graph.
Start with visual clarity. Use high contrast colors, large fonts, and clear labels. Avoid relying on color alone to convey meaning. Add patterns or textures to differentiate data. Label directly on the graph, not just in a legend. Thinking beyond visuals. Include alt text and long descriptions. These help screen readers describe visuals to users who can't see them.
The following demonstrates how a screen reader announces a graph's alternative text and elements.
Chart area. In line with text. Chart element. Word. Has new. Window. ASU Library e-resource sessions by affiliation. 30-day history. Series faculty point September 2, 2025 value. 41. Chart element.
If you are daunted by the prospect of writing full descriptions for all your visuals, consider whether you can turn writing some of them into an exercise for your students. Remember, whoever does the intellectual heavy lifting in a class does the learning. Inclusive tools and formats. Use tools that support accessible formats. Advanced options like audiographs and sonified data. Audiographs allow users to listen to the data points in sequence. Listening for the highest pitch, they can identify the peak value in the data points. Sonified data points are represented by converting higher values into higher pitches and lower values into lower pitches.
The following demonstrates the sonification of data points on a graph.
Simplify, simplify, simplify. Ideally, a graph or visual representation should only contain the data you need to convey to the students. Unnecessary excess data can obfuscate the key takeaways. Finding a simpler representation of a messy graph or creating a new one will help the students achieve the learning objective. Or supply students with the raw data and ask them to create the representation themselves. You can easily turn this into an in-class compare and contrast activity. In summary, designing for all isn't extra, it's essential. When we make STEM visuals accessible, we open the door to learning for everyone. If you would like to discuss this topic, please reach out to us by emailing us at cat@temple.edu.